now we have learned two sounds. One, A أول, A غیر اول. It is pronounced A. And B غیر آخر, B آخر, B non-final and B final. Exactly with the pronunciation of B sound in English. And now the third sound in Persian is A. A أول, A وسط or A غیر اول. A أول is A the initial. It comes always at the beginning of the words in Persian. And this A is A وسط or A غیر اول, which comes above the head of other sounds and make them sound A. For instance, look at here in the word asp. Asp is horse in Persian. You see, A أول come at the beginning of this word. Look at here. Asp. And pomegranate in Persian is anar. Anar. Again, it starts with A أول. Anar. Anar. And the word cloud in Persian is abr. Abr. You see, A أول in the word abr. A أول. But now this A non-initial or A غیر اول, you see in the word برگ. برگ is the leaf in Persian. Look at here. Don't pay attention to other sounds. You haven't learned them. Don't worry. Just learn A أول and A غیر اول. You see? برگ. Berg. This is B sound that we learned in the previous lesson. Berg, when you put this A above its head, then make it sound Ba. Without this is B sound, B, B. But when you put it above its head, then it is Berg. Berg. And in the word bastani. Ice cream in Persian is bastani. I taught it in the previous lesson in the word, in the sound of B sound. Look at here. Without this A, you can't read it. But when you put A غیر اول here, then it is Ba, and above T sound, it is bastani. 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 So, asp, anar, abr, you see A أول at the beginning, and above the B sound, berg, bastani, you see A غیر اول. How do we write it? Look at here. This A up to bottom, and this small line above its head. A أول and this A. This A does not appear in the normal writing in Persian, but as you are beginner and you are learning newly, I have to add this A above the head of other sounds. Okay. So, A أول, A غیر اول. A أول, A the initial, always at the beginning of the word, and this A above the head of other sound, and make them sound A. B plus A will be ba. Okay, now I should teach you something very special in Persian that we teach our children at our school how to read and write Persian with this systematic method. I will teach you the alphabets in this systematic method so you can learn how to read and write in Persian, because Persian script has its complexities. Okay, now first let me introduce you, give you your homework. For A, then we go to that table and I will teach you that table, how to use that table. Okay, your homework will be one line, please write, and don't forget to read aloud. A أول، A غیر أول، A أول، A غیر أول، A أول، A غیر أول، A أول، A غیر أول.